Hey guys, Maddie from Bill right here, and today we're going to be installing our seatback MOLLE panel kit on our 2021 Ford Bronco. Included is going to be an upper bracket, a panel, and a lower bracket. Included in the seatback MOLLE panel hardware kit is going to be 2 1/4-20 bolts, 2 1/4-20 nuts, 2 1/4-20 button head screws, 7 12/24 button head screws, 9 of our black washers, 2 1/4-20 panel clips, as well as 2 of our headrest mounts. To install your seatback MOLLE panel kit, you're going to need a 3/8 inch socket on a ratchet, a 9/64 Allen key, a 5/32 Allen key, and a 7/16 wrench. Before we start actually installing the seatback MOLLE panel kit, we're going to go ahead and move our seat forward and up so we can access the bottom of the seat. So to begin the install, we're going to go ahead and mount up the upper bracket using our 2 headrest posts and 4 of the 12/24 bolts. So we're going to be using a black washer on each of the button head screws that we're going to be installing. So now that we have the upper bracket loosely installed, we're going to go ahead and tear down the bottom and install the lower bracket. To begin installing the lower bracket, we're going to need to loosen up some of the seat upholstery by removing one of the wiring harnesses that's capturing a piece of elastic that's holding the upholstery on to get to the seat back. So we just need to expose these holes right here, and we're going to slide our panel clips on. The flat face is going to be pointing out towards us. So our zinc plated 1/4-20 bolts are going to thread into those panel clips. So we're going to pin down this piece of fabric with our bolt. So I've popped a little slit in the fabric, gonna get my bolt head through it, and then can start my bolt on the panel clip. So we have our panel clip right here. We have a piece of fabric that would normally be held in with a push rivet. We have a little slit in that fabric. We're gonna put our bolt through the lower. We're gonna push it through, and then we'll thread our bolt into the panel clip. Now we're going to go ahead and put the upholstery back down and into the lower bracket. Seat the upholstery back in and have it look nice and normal. And now we're just going to rehook the elastic. And now we're going to reattach the wiring harness that we removed previously. So with the lower bracket tightly installed and the upper bracket loosely installed, we're going to go ahead and throw the panel on the upper bracket and test fit to make sure everything comes together nicely. As with the other seatback MOLLE installs, I like to start the center bolt, and we can balance the panel on this guy while we install the other 2. So we're going to check to make sure that the slots on our panel line up with the slots on our bottom bracket, and then we can tighten down our upper. We're going to take our 1/4-20 button head screw along with a black washer and a nut, and we're going to install the panel onto the lower bracket. hold our nut with our 7/16 wrench. Grab our 5/32 Allen key and tighten this down. And now we're going to go back through and tighten everything down. And with that, your seat back MOLLE panel kit is installed in your 2021 Plus Ford Bronco. Thanks for sticking around. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, reach out on social media via email or by phone. Thanks for watching.